Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll shift our perspective to acknowledge and celebrate what we have, rather than focusing on what we don't. Start by settling into a comfortable seat. Gently straighten your back. Relax your shoulders. And softly close your eyes. Take a few breaths to soften into this moment. Relax the tension in your jaw, your eyes, your forehead. Release any unnecessary gripping in your body. Now shift your awareness to your breath. Notice your body breathing. The softness of the air passing in and out of your nostrils. The gentle rise and fall of your chest. The slight expansion and contraction of your belly. Stay present with your easy, natural breath. And direct your attention to the center of your chest. Feel into the area around your heart, bringing in a sense of caring and tenderness. Every time you breathe in, grow compassion at the center of your heart. Every time you breathe out, soften into ease and kindness. Inhaling compassion, exhaling kindness. And now bring in a sense of gratitude for all that you have in your life, regardless of the struggles you are facing. Even if you are unwell, feel gratitude for the health that you do have. Even if you have difficult relationships, feel gratitude for the love that is present. bring in a sense of abundance by acknowledging your blessings. This body that carries and moves you, the food that nourishes you, the roof over your head, your access to clean water. Take a few moments now to contemplate the many gifts in your life. Now, return to your breath and feel into your experience just as it is. Notice your body, your heart, your mind, and give yourself permission to rest here, following your breath as it flows in and out. Now, gently soften your attention. We've all had thoughts like these. There's not enough time in the day. I don't have enough money, or I'm not smart enough. When we view our world through the lens of scarcity, we approach most of our life from a place of lacking. This not only affects the way we see our bank account, but the way we view our relationships, how we relate to our health, how we spend our time, and how we value ourselves. Seeing the world in this way is a mindset, and the more frequently we drop into this kind of thinking, the more we get trapped in not enoughness. And though we can't magically think our way out of challenging situations like scarcity or resources, when we change what we focus on, we change our outlook on life and we abate some of our suffering. We make room for a little more contentment and ease, regardless of the situation. Redirecting our focus from what we don't have to what we do have creates room for appreciation and joy. By shifting our perspective, we celebrate abundance. And abundance, in this sense, isn't about how much money we make or how many friends we have. It's a state of mind that allows us to see the beauty around us and to count our blessings. We grow our awareness in order to become more open, more receptive, more appreciative. So, the next time you find yourself feeling that there isn't enough, take a moment to breathe deeply and acknowledge what is present. By leaning into gratitude for what you do have, you'll open up to the abundance that already exists within you and around you. Now gently turn your attention back to your breath. Feel your body breathing naturally. And when you're ready, bring small movements back into your hands and feet, and softly open your eyes. Take some time to appreciate what you have today, and we'll see you again soon.